Hello, friends of high technologies. Today, I will be testing the camera of the Samsung Galaxy A54, a device that sits on the border between mid-range and high-end phones, but certainly leans much closer to the high-end category. The phone's box is compact and visually pleasing. Let's quickly see what's inside. Of course, I'll start with the device, which is well packaged, and I'll pause to hear the sound of peeling off the protective film. I can definitely say that I'm holding a luxurious phone in my hands in graphite color. The feel is akin to a top-tier phone thanks to the glass back and metal frame of the device. The three cameras on the back protrude slightly from the body, indicating that their performance will be excellent. I even playfully waved the phone for a super fun shot, and the results were more than impressive. Despite the phone giving a sense of luxury, it can't be used without a case, as it tends to slip from the hands due to the glass back. Unfortunately, the box only contains a USB-C charging cable, and purchasing an additional charger is inevitable. The original one costs around $20, and I don't advise buying dubious chargers for your new phone. After watching this video, you're likely planning to purchase a new device. So before I move on to the camera tests, let me quickly mention some key features of the Samsung A54. The phone's focus is undoubtedly on its photography capabilities, with an impressive set of cameras that perform well even in low light. The front 32 megapixels camera ensures impressive high-resolution selfies. The photo remaster and object eraser features allow you to clean up blurriness and remove unwanted objects from your photos. The A54's display offers a clear and vibrant picture even in strong sunlight, with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth content playback, including for gaming enthusiasts. With a powerful octa-core processor and 5G technology support, the device provides fast and seamless access to information. The battery has a capacity of 5,000 mAh, providing long-lasting endurance for up to 2 days with normal use. The phone has an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance, making it suitable for various conditions. The sound is enhanced with Dolby Atmos. The stereo speakers sound excellent, though I can't fully demonstrate their power in this video. It is available in two variants, with 128GB and 256GB of built-in storage, and since it supports a microSD card with a capacity of up to 1 TB. I don't see the need to spend extra for the 256GB variant. As mentioned earlier, there's a 32 megapixel front camera, and at the back, there's an ultra-wide 12 megapixel camera, a main 50 megapixel camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. I'll start with the most interesting experiment I conducted, capturing a video with a super fun shot under artificial light. You can see how the camera captured the pressure before the balloon burst, which personally I find quite exciting. For the rest of the tests, I'll be using this model car. Well, friends, I believe the camera tests of the Samsung A54 were comprehensive. I hope you've gained a better understanding of this phone's capabilities, and in the video description, you can find its current price in different stores. Thank you for your attention, and until next time.